Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my IPSY glam bag for the month of February, just the regular old bag, and I am excited to get into it. If you have not seen already, I have already unboxed my ultimate and uploaded it on my channel. That was yesterday's video, I think. I hope that's right. I am getting better, but please excuse my croaky voice if I sound a little sick. I am literally just sick, so that is why. But we are going to dive in. I'm going to keep this very short and sweet because I think you guys are liking them that way, because I can tend to, you know, ramble on a little bit. But today we're going to dive in, and of course IPSY is, I still want to say it's $10 a month, $12 a month. It is their regular small bag that I'm unboxing, and we're going to see what we got. Alright, so in the envelope, I do have my bag. It's super cute, but I also have one item free. First off, the bag is very pretty. I feel like, and I said this in the other video, I feel like the bags just keep getting better and better. Like the leopard, the marble, this, like the rose, dusty mauve, rose, quilted. It's so pretty. So it's just like quilted on both sides. The zip is more like a kind of like maroon, but really, really pretty. I love this. Girly and definitely right up my alley. Well, as you can see, it kind of like matches my lips. First off, not in the bag is a brush. This one is colorful. So this is from the Beauty Crop. I don't think I've ever had anything from them. I've seen their stuff before. This feels nice, the handle and everything. So this is the F203 powder. So here is what the handle looks like. It feels like a wooden handle, but it feels nice and sturdy. And then it is a smaller, like more precision powder brush. I actually think this feels really nice. Like I said, I don't know the brand, so I don't know what the typical quality is for this. It's definitely a cute and like funky colored. I don't know if I'll hold on to this for myself or give it to someone. I have so many brushes and I have like big brush sets and stuff, so I don't know. I'm very tempted to use it though because it is so pretty and it feels very nice. It feels like a really nice synthetic. So that is our first item. I feel like this is nice for powder. A little bit more precision. It's not like a big powder brush where you want to swirl, but just like kind of sweeping and patting some powder on. I can definitely see myself using this. I also kind of think it would be nice for blush or even like contouring the jawline, contouring the forehead. I feel like I could use this for a lot of things. So I'm pretty impressed with my first item so far. All right, let's get into the bag. I'm just gonna pull things out and not really look at them. Oh, this is big. Okay, what's this? A Colored Rain Matte Lip Paint. This is in the shade 24/7. So Colored Rain, I do really like their products. I have some shadows, I have some lips, and I have to say, I think the quality is really, really nice. The formula is really, really nice. I have a gloss from Colored Rain that I can't remember the name of the color, but it is so beautiful. But let's go ahead and swatch it because like I said, the formula is amazing. So this is 24/7. This is definitely a color that is right up my alley. I love those type of tones. This is a little bit more like rosy, very nice, kind of like neutral-ish kind of look because it can look like your lips but better kind of thing, and I think I will definitely love wearing this. So those are two really, really nice items. Like I consider both of those like nice full-size items, so we're off to a really good start. Oh, I feel like this is full size too. This is the Sex Kitten from Tarte, and I love the little lid. Can you guys see it? It's so cute. Maybe this is small, I'm not sure, but I feel like this is, if this isn't full size, it's gotta be close, like it's a really decent size. So this is the liner. I actually don't think I've ever tried, I don't think I've ever tried the Sex Kitten. So I will definitely have to give this one a shot. The packaging is so freaking cute with the little cat face. It says it's a deluxe sample, excuse me. I feel like this is a really decent size for a deluxe liner, but I'm very excited to use that. And then, yeah, the brush is full size. What? It says this is a deluxe sample. I actually think that this is full size. I don't think this is a sample at all because it's 3.5 grams. This, I believe, is full size. Correct me if I'm wrong. The value of the full size version is 4 grams at $17. Are you sure? I feel like this is a full size, but maybe the full size is a tiny bit bigger. I'm not sure. We got something from Pure Brazilian Deep Conditioning Mask. This has keratin, acai, argan oil, and cocoa butter. Oh, okay, so this is a hair mask. That looks nice. They actually started listing prices, which I used to kind of figure it up. The brush goes for $13 though. And like I said, I told you guys about the lip. The full size of the Sex Kitten goes for $20 and we got a deluxe. Now the full size of this is 8 ounces and goes for $32. We've got 1 ounce. So this is about $4 worth, but I still think it's a really decent size. Like I could probably use this twice for my hair because it's fine. But if you have like thicker, long hair, you might only be able to use it once. I think I'll get a couple uses out of it. I like that they've started doing this though, because like you can tell these are all really good deals. And then we have one more thing in here. This is from the Balm. It says Pedal to the Metal Vava Vroom Cream Eyeshadows. Oh, I have not tried a cream eyeshadow from them. So this is a deluxe sample. The full size is 10.5 grams. That seems kind of big. For $29.50. This is 1.2 grams. So obviously it's a lot smaller. This is only a few dollars worth, but that means the full size is like pretty hefty. I'm almost happier to get a small size like this because I feel like I just waste it if I got one that big. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, so this is the shade Turbo. I've already stuck my finger in there before I even showed you guys. But that's the shade Turbo. Here it is on my finger. And I'm gonna give it a little swatch next to this liner. It's pretty. It's like this rosy gold, but then it's got this little shimmer to it that is almost maybe lavender and silver, or like pink and silver. I don't know, but it's very interesting. It's so different looking, and I don't use a lot of cream shadows, but I definitely want to give this one a try and see how it goes with this formula. I'm happy to get a size like this to try out because I just know I'm not going to go through a big thing of cream eyeshadow. So I'm really happy with that as well. I have to say that this is a really nice glam bag. I think to get a brush, like even though it's a more affordable brush, it feels really nice. For our liner, I'm definitely going to use a hair mask. We got our cream eyeshadow, and we also got the Color Grain liquid lipstick. So I feel like this is a really good deal. And once again, I just have to say the bag is so cute. Alright guys, so that is everything for this IPSY glam bag for the month of February. I hope you guys enjoyed the unbagging. Let me know what you think about this bag below. I'm curious to know your thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed either way. Make sure to leave me a thumbs up if you do enjoy these videos. Also, I have giveaways going on in my Jeffree Star mystery unboxings. Each video has a giveaway, and I'm also posting, I believe tonight, on my Instagram another giveaway, and it'll be wearing this makeup. I'm gonna post a picture and show you guys a couple of things that you can win on my Instagram as well. So if you want to go check that out, be sure you are following me, and don't forget to subscribe here as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.